Hello everyone, I am Chalma Reddy. Welcome to CR Maths class. Previous class we are completed level 1 27 problems up to. Now I am going to start 28th question. Now see the question what they are given. The number of ways can 4 men, 3 boys, 2 women be seated in a row so that men, boys and women are not separated. Men, boys, and 2 women sit in a row, but those are not separated. What is the meaning of that? The meaning is 4 men come together, 3 boys come together, 2 women come together only. In between men cannot be sit boys, in between boys cannot be sit men or women, like that. Okay, first we can write number of men. Men, how many are there? 4. Boys, boys, how many? 3. And women, how many women are there here? 2. Required number of arrangements. Required number of arrangements. Now see here, all men's treat as one unit. All boys treat as one unit because they want to sit together. And women also treat as one unit because these all persons sit together, men's together, boys together, women's together. Total 3 units. Total 3 units. 3 units can be arranged in 3 factorial. But 4 men's are there. 4 men's can be arranged among themselves, 4 factorial. And 3 boys can be arranged among themselves, 3 factorial. And 2 women's, 2 women's can be arranged among themselves in 2 factorial. This is the answer. Okay. So finally, 3 factorial is repeated twice, 4 factorial into 3 factorial whole square into 2 factorial. This is a required number of arrangements. See the option, third option correct. Now, see the next question what they are given here. The number of ways in which the candidates A1, A2, A3 and so on, A10 can be ranked if A1 and A2 are next to each other. A1 and A2 are next to each other. That meaning is A1 and A2 they want to get side by side. A1 A2 or A2 A1. That means observe that these two people come together. This is the meaning. Okay. A1 and A2 are next to each other, side by side. They want to get the rank. Okay. Now, what we want to do? A1, A2 treat as one unit. One unit. Remaining. How many members are there? Remaining 8 members. 8 units. Total 9 units. Now required number of arrangements is equal to 9 units can be arranged in 9 factorial ways. But 2 peoples are there, we are treated as 1 unit. Those can be arranged among themselves in 2 factorial ways. 2 factorial means 2 ways only. This is one way, this is another way. 9 factorial into 2 factorial. This is the answer. So which option correct, students? First option. The number of ways in which the candidates A1 to A10 can be ranked if A1 is always above A2. A1 is always above A2. That means first want to get A2, next A1. Where is A1? Just side by A2 or far away, no problem. In between, we can arrange some more persons. But by observing these arrangements, A2 should be first, then another place should be A1. Another place means that is important, either nearby A2 or far A2. Anywhere you can take, no problem. So how to do this problem? If generally if you are arranged 10 members, first A2 will come, next A1 will come. Or first A1 will come, next A2 will come. Only two chances are there, 50-50 chances. Yes or no? What about remaining persons? We don't want, because the condition is on A1 and A2 only. Remaining we can arrange anywhere, no problem. But one more thing, remember it. There are 10 members. That meaning is only 10 places are there, not 11, 12, 15 places. Okay. So here 50-50 chances. So 10 members can be arranged in 10 factorial. 50-50 chances means we need these chance. A1 is always above A2. Here A2 is always above A1. This condition is not exist. So divide with 2. This is answer. 10 factorial by 2. Or another method. So here A1, A2, out of 10 members, remove those people, A1, A2. So actually, how many places are there? 10 places, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These 10 places can be filled with remaining 8 persons. Required number of arrangements. Required number of arrangements. These 10 places can be filled with remaining 8 persons. If you are filled 8 persons, remaining 2 vacant places are there. In that vacant places, for suppose I am expecting these 2 are vacant places. First, we need to fill here A2, next A1. It is possible to fill only one way. Yes or no? So what is 10p8? Apply the formula. 10 factorial by 10 minus 8 factorial into 1. 10 minus 8 means how much? 2 or not? So answer is 10 factorial by 2 factorial. That is 10 factorial by 2. Which option correct? Third option correct. You can follow first method or second method. No problem. Both are same answer. We get. The number of ways in which 10 candidates A1, A2, A3 and so on A10 can be ranked if A1 is just above A2. A1 is just above A2. Just above means after A2, next A1 only. This is the meaning now. A1 is just above A2. Just means next seat only. So what we have to do? These two persons treat as one unit. Remaining, how many persons are there? There are 8 persons. Total 9 units. 9 units can be arranged. Required number of arrangements is equal to 9 factorial. But these two people can be arranged only one way. That is A2, A1. Don't arrange A1, A2. Don't arrange A1, A2. It is possible only one way. Finally, what is the answer? That is 9 factorial ways. Fourth option is correct. Same type of problem already we are done. What is that? See, this problem. This problem. Here, here A1 and A2 are next to each other. Next to means those are side by side. A1, A2 possible, A2, A1 possible. But in eighth question, what they are asking, A1 is just above A2. A1 is just above A2. But see the seventh question, this is also A1, A2 related only. A1 is always above A2. A1, A2 next to each other. A1 is always above A2. A1 is just above A2. Three conditions. Okay. A1 is just above A2 means A2, A1. Only one chance. Students, are you understood? The three problems are looking same like that, but difference observe that. I think all of you understood now. A, B, C are three persons among seven persons. Who speaks at a function the number of ways in which it can be done? If A speaks before B and B speaks before C. So that meaning is first they want to speak A, next B, next C. This is the order. They didn't say that after A next immediately B can speak, next immediately C can speak. They didn't say like that. But A speaks first, after that some more persons speak, next B only, next some more persons, next C. Okay, before A cannot be speak B, before B cannot be speak C. Okay, so here how many persons are there? There are seven persons. Seven persons means we have to take seven places. Seven places. In these seven places, remove these persons. Seven places, remove three persons. Remaining how many persons are there? Out of seven persons, we are removed three persons. Remaining four persons. Now, required number of arrangements is equal to. Now, those four persons can be arranged in seven places. 7p4. After filling the four places, first here one place, this is second, this is third, and this is four. So those seven places I am filled with four persons. Remaining how many places are there? Three places. Those three places can be filled. First A, next B, next C. This is arrangement. It is possible to fill only one way or not? Don't arrange first here B, next C, next A. Here condition given. A speaks before B and B speaks before C. Students, are you understood? But whatever I marked yellow color, anywhere you can arrange. Then observe that remaining three vacant places can be filled with ABC in particular order. It is possible to fill only one way. Now finally, what is the answer? 7p4 means 7, we can decrease 4 times. 7, 6, 5, 4. Now 6 5s are 30. 30 into 4, 120. 120 into 7, 840. This is the answer. Which option correct? Third option correct.